You know what? It's working. Don't care. Seems to be working. Okay, it's working this time. Good enough for me. Alrighty. I'll have to look into why that isn't working anymore. That's super annoying. Whatever. Welcome, welcome. Okay, well. Alright. Welcome, welcome. Some more patching of Godot today. And luckily, I'm actually to the point where it is no longer crashing. Well, it is still crashing, but it is no longer failing to build. So it compiles now and links properly. But now it just crashes immediately. Alright, did I fix that right before I started? I think I might have fixed that right before I started. Okay, so it doesn't crash anymore, but it still doesn't work. Cool. Alright, so... sorry, I just had to reboot my system, so I'm a little frazzled. I need to think of what I was just doing before it started acting up on me. So let me just get my bearings really quick. What did I change in error macros? Oh, I formatted it. That's right. Duh. Right. So, what was the location of modules, SVG, image loader, SVG? That's right. CPP, right? Yeah. 108. Okay. Right. Okay. So I had wanted to go right, that's right. I had put this here because I had forgotten what this right. Okay. I remember now. Don't mind me. Yeah, no, that I want the constructor. Okay, listen, you. What does this even do? Oh. Like. Okay. Okay, let's not touch that stuff. That's a little bit too low level right now. I really don't want to recompile this before I know for sure what's causing the crash, because it takes forever to recompile every single time. These are so weird. This entire code base is so macro heavy. It's ridiculous. And like, I don't dislike macros, but like not for super heavy logic like this. Like what? What even? Okay. Which one even was it again? I don't even remember. What? Did I not just fail V message? It's this one. Okay, so this is what it's actually doing. And this is actually what it's doing. See, like, why? Why do you need this many layers to print an error? You don't. You don't need all this. Just for the purpose of confusing me specifically. Okay. Fine. I guess I just have to rebuild it. Oh, well, that's good. It's not doing what it did before. That's nice. You're right. Wait, what? Oh my god. What? No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. What? Oh, it's probably not. Core error. Maybe? Oh, you know what? I guess I could just do that, huh? Well, that's not a good sign. Where is it? Am I losing my mind here? You're killing me. Show me the references. Oh my god. What do you mean? You took me to it before. What do you mean? Whoa. What do you mean? That will go. Magic. Crazy. No? Okay, fine. Okay. Error macros H. Poor variant is... Oh, wait. Did I not even look at the message I was printing? Why? What? Wait. Oh, for fuck's sake. Is there one that doesn't return anything? Why do these return? See, this is what I'm talking about. Why? Oh my god. Can I just have... Great, so glad these don't show up. Oh my god, why do these all include returns? Oh my god. You know what? I'm not reading through all this. I... like, this is ridiculous. Error print. Okay. No, that's fine. Okay. Ridiculous, dude. Ridiculous. Really? Error print, not fail. That's my bad. Yeah, but that's... You can do that same thing with functions and have it actually be type checked and whatnot. Why? Okay, hold on. Let me... That'll write it to a file so I can... Why is it... No. What does errors do? Does it like I don't understand. That's so... Whatever. Well, I'm gonna be here a while. This takes a very long time to compile. So oh, that's annoying. That's really annoying. Whatever, I guess. What? See, I feel like it would be better to just not do that at all. That's one of those things that feels not necessary. Oh my god. Okay. Those are all warnings. It's fine. Where are the actual errors? What? Ah, okay. Well, I tried just including the... And it didn't like that. Oh, boy. Oops. It's fine. Nope. Oh, thank you. Very much appreciated. I'm glad you're enjoying. Me lose my mind a little. Okay, well, this is gonna take a minute. Let's switch my playlist. God. I should just, you know what, while it's doing that, just so I'm not tempted. Oh. Mm. Mm. That gives me an idea for this is unrelated completely. But it gave me an idea for something. Uh, Um, I don't know if that'll work, but you know, I'll know what it means. I'll know what that means. Okay, just so I don't forget that later. Oh my god. Wonder where. Oh wait. Um, is that a macro? I'm gonna regret this. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No. Where's it defined? Oh. Oh. Okay. It's almost done. Good. Oh, come on. Oh, those are warnings. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Got it. Okay. Why though? Let's find out. Ooh. Actually, oh god, that was stupid of me. You know what? It's fine. Okay, it should be quick now. Now that I realize it's the command that's the problem. Just need to remember, don't build it. Don't build it. Don't build it. Only run errors. Only run errors or I'm going to be here all day. I haven't gotten no errors, I think, ever. Really fascinating. Okay. 1 3 1 3 1 3 1 3. Interesting. So engine init is 0. That's why. That's why it's skipping this. I guess that doesn't have to be a... Oh my god, why can't I type today? What's it called? Engine init. Is it not called? Image loader SVG. Okay. And it's from 108. Right here. So, let me put it in the middle. What is it? Oh, initializer. Threads. Oh, interesting. Okay, so let me see actually, where does this get called? Here. Oh, interesting. So this gets called by a generated file. Fascinating. It has to be just not being called, right? It's got to be it. It's just not being called. Oh, that's a good point. Interesting. So this gets called from here. No, from which one is it? Wait. What is it? Okay, okay, listen. This doesn't appear to be doing anything. Well, okay. So where is, what is it? Modules, register module types, gen CPP. Jesus. They're called module types. Why? Is there... Oops. Well, shot in the dark. Really? Hello? Hey, finally made it to one. Um... No, that's not it. I'm pretty good. Pretty good. I slept really well for the first time in I don't even know how long, so I feel pretty good today. Main setup. Okay. Right. Okay, I see. Um Thank you. Always appreciate positivity. Huh? Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Do I want to know what kind of lewd stuff you were forced to learn about? Aren't you a woodworker or something? Right. Neat. Oh, nifty. Well, you're in luck. Just follow along with what I'm doing for a little bit and your head will be spinning so hard it'll you're not going to remember a single thing you did before this. All right. Okay. So, um register I'll rename all these eventually. Okay. What does this do? Okay. Great, thanks. Am I missing something here? Oops. Little engine work. It's because I got the idea for this project and now I'm really excited about it. I'll get back to the game stuff probably next week. But this week I'm enjoying this. Especially now that it's actually building, which is very cool. I just need to actually figure out what order I want to do all this stuff in. Or what order it'll let me do everything. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Here. Easier to just do that. Okay. Right. I might have an answer. TVG canvas 164. Okay. Okay. An MP4 animated file as wallpaper on Mint? You mean like as like here, right? On a just background, desktop background? I don't know how off the top of my head, but let's see if I can figure it out real quick. Oops, that's not a oh, hang on, it's going too quick. I don't know. Let's find out. I think you might, yeah, have to use something else because I don't know if it just works. Um, Flat packs are pretty decent. I'd recommend probably one of these. Um, Let me see. Um, okay, don't do that. That one's hard. Well, it's not going to work right away. So you're going to likely have to do a little configuring based on your system. And if it doesn't work, then it might just not work, unfortunately. But I'd say try like downloading, I don't know if you got this one specifically, but I'd say try like for example this one and then go do a little back and forth with your, chatbot of choice, and basically just go, hey, I'm getting this specific error. How do I fix that? Um, Unfortunately, there's just not going to be really a quick answer. It didn't work, but how didn't it work? What did it do specifically? You can't just go, it didn't work, and then throw it out entirely. Otherwise, you're never going to learn Linux. So, like, what specifically did it do? Just nothing? Did it print an error message? Can't find it? You mean like you couldn't install it? So say that to, whatever bot gave you that suggestion. Right? So like if I were to try this and install it, I don't really want it. But I would literally say to Gemini, my system cannot seem to find that. Is there another way to install it? And then it'll go from there. So like it'll take some doing. It's not going to be as easy as Windows or Mac, unfortunately. But I believe in you. You can do it. So that's what I'm saying. Ask Gemini, Claude, ChatGPT, I don't care which one. Ask a bot, how do I fix this? I can't see your system, so I can't fix it for you. There's no way for me to know what's happening there. So I just cannot fix it for you. So like here. You know what? Oh, you know what? This is the other one. Let's walk through it. Let's do user. Yep. Okay. And then let me see. Called. No. Where is it? There. You get all that? And I imagine it would just work from here. What about VE and V? You saw what I just did, right? Here, tell you what, why don't you join my Discord, and then you could give me some more specific details. Remember, I made one. You gave me the idea for it. The link's right here, and under contact. Join the Discord. Then give me some more info. Maybe I can help you with it. You did. There you go. Oh, not bad. That usually helps. That's a good first step. Okay. Sure. Been around long enough, sure. Well, that doesn't mean I'll answer everything. I am notoriously bad at that, but you're welcome to try. What's the thing? TVG, that's what it is. No, not that. Well, with any luck, I can help that be a little less bad. It's funny. I used to talk to myself constantly, so much so to the point where my roommate in college would be like in his room and I'd be in the kitchen talking to myself. And he'd come out of his room and go, "Are you talking to me?" And I go, "No, no, sorry, I'm talking to me." Well, when you get back into it, it'll be there. It's fine. You know what? Let me just see what that does. Wow. Nice. There we go. Okay. While I generally agree, I wanted to reserve the right to kick out anyone who is annoying me. The rules basically boil down to don't be a bad person. So I think you can probably manage that. At least I would hope so. Okay. Hey, that's getting better. Okay, let's see. Um, nice. Hello. All right. Let me see if I got it. Last time I tried to accept someone on the Discord, it took me like 10 minutes to figure out how, so give me a minute. It might take a second. Here, let me just do it really quick here. Don't mind me. Just a second. I don't know why the app doesn't work very well for me, but... What? I log in? Oh my god. Oh god, how do I do this? Why? I... Okay, I got stuck on this last time. No, that's not it. How do... Where? There it is. Okay. Okay. That didn't take nearly as long as last time. Good, good, good. Well, it's because I didn't design it. I'm really good at knowing things that I design. I'm less good at understanding things that other people design. That's why I'm just too hard-headed for stuff. That's why like I build all my own tools. That's why I am ripping apart Godot engine to make my own. It's because I am really particular about how I do stuff. So I just want to be able to do it my way. And so when something doesn't work the way I think it makes sense to, I get stuck on it for a while. So that's all. I'm just really particular. And I should not have gotten rid of all that stuff. Okay. I also just haven't used it. Like I literally I made the Discord because old Fortnite over there brought it up and I was like, you know, I should make one of those. Oh my god, 9,000 lines. Jeez. Okay, no, I'm not going all the way up there. Method bind common H. Okay. Wait. But that's guarded by... Oh, wait. Didn't that one just not work? Like a few seconds ago? Am I crazy? What's happening? Okay, whatever. Whatever. If unlikely. What is the... What is it? What do these mean? Okay, wait. Let me... Hold on. Okay. Uh... Oh. Okay, that's kind of cool. That's way better, though. Right. Well, wait. If unlikely, do this. This is super weird looking. Yeah, I know what it is. How does it work? So the... Um... I don't quite know what you mean. So I'm gonna go with no, probably. So... Okay. So... Just want to make sure I understand this right, because that is super confusing. Oh, I mean, maybe if I'm eligible. Right now, I'm not eligible for basically like anything, but you have to have like a certain minimum of like, I think followers, hours streamed, stuff like that. Yeah, I don't know what the rules are. Maybe when I can, but I don't think I can right now. So what is... This is just null, right? Oh. Well, then maybe it's... I feel like it should already be on, but I don't know. I'll have to check. But some other time. It's just null, right? Oh. Hey, look at that. Neat. Hmm. Nifty. I'll take a look at it some other time. Maybe tomorrow morning before stream. That's neat. I don't know. I kind of I'm a little nervous to do too much with the on stream or on screen stuff. Um just because my OBS setup is so finicky. Like just today, literally right before stream. I think I might have started a few minutes late today. Maybe not. I don't remember. But anyway, the reason was because I had updated a few things on my system while OBS was running. So when I did that and was about to start stream, I clicked start streaming and it popped up with an error. And I was like, okay, well. So I had to like track down that error and fix it. So I can't. Well, you say that. Remember, I had to make an entire custom built OBS binary just to get these messages on screen. So do keep that in mind. This is an extremely technical build I'm running. I know I like joke about it and like, you know, try to be relatively aloof most of the time. This is an extremely technical setup I'm running. This is not like an average. This is a very, very technical setup. So it's easy to forget that, but there's a lot that can go wrong in it. Yeah, I won't deny that. Just another word for smart. Not a doofus, as I prefer. um, okay. That causes these. No. Well, not always. It's a baseline, but hey, I'll take it. I'll take it. So... Oh. Whoops. There. Happy? Okay. So... No, they all compiled. But they might not all have an instance. I did smart. Always smart. Oh, you right. I say you. It right. It right. Tools is defined. Wait, why? Whoa, whoa. Wait, so this just fails if the tools are enabled? What? Wait. That doesn't make a ton of sense to me. Alrighty, enjoy. I'll be here. Um, Interesting. So, is there a warn? No, there is not. Um, why? Oh my god. Well, get cozy, because this thing is recompiling again. Which means it's gonna be another, like, 5 minutes before I can do anything, minimum. Oh my god. I'm pretty good. A little annoyed every time this has to rebuild, but a little rainy out. That's kind of fun. Oh, I have this stuff here for when I get really angry. It's like silly putty, which I assume you know what that is, but this is called angry putty. Um, where it gets more difficult to work with the more you play with it. So that's fun. That lets me get some anger out. I can. Hi Reese, hi Puff. Hi Stormy. Stormy's asleep. Yeah, and I'm actually glad on that first day. I'm actually glad I went to get them to show them on camera because I realized later that day that they needed a nail trimming. So I got to cut their nails later that day. So it was win-win. Ugh. Told you. I told you it's gonna be a while. This takes a long time. Blame the Godot creators for making it so messy inside. For what it's worth, it works for what they were trying to do, but trying to take it in a different direction is oh my god. Well, that's currently what I'm working on top of. You realize that, right? All the stuff I'm changing. I'm taking Godot as a base. I'm basically taking Godot as the rendering layer because why would I write a renderer from scratch? um I'm keeping that layer and just ripping out literally everything from on top of it. GD script, GD extension, all the variant types, all the dynamicism, ripping all that stuff out and just keeping it native code execution on top. So like for what Godot is trying to do, it's really good. But for doing what I'm trying to do, it's structured incredibly poorly. Like it's really, really messy. But for what they're trying to do, it works fine, which is a lot of dynamicism. Get out of here. Oop. Yeah, usually I get those right at the start of streams when there's nobody watching, but yeah, it's fine. I usually just delete it. Oh my god, it's still on the 60s? Oh my god. You know what? I'm gonna run to the bathroom really quick. Enjoy this. All right. Nice. Oh wow, that really jumped up after 65, huh? Okay. Let's see. Um All right. Let me see what this does now. Okay. Uh thank you. Wasn't that one already? Pretty sure that one was already following, but okay. I think I recall that one, but thank you regardless. Oh, right. Okay, so that one disappeared. Now it's just method bind common 80. Right. Why? It's so bizarre. No? Okay. Whatever you say. Why? Oh my god. Well, strap in. Here, while it's doing that, let me see if there were any others. Wait. Okay. It looks like it's... Oh my god, I'm not even halfway done. Alright, fair enough. I knew I remembered it. Alright, well... Okay, this one's going a little quicker. Maybe? Whatever. Whatever. Fair enough. Seems to. Here, I'm gonna play with my angry putty while this is compiling again, because why is it compiling from 0 again? You know, it consistently... No, it is not edible. No, 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 no. It's... Do you know what silly putty is? Here, if not, I have some. Okay, so silly putty is basically just like a... I don't even know what to call it. Don't eat it. It is not edible. If you've ever heard of Play-Doh, looks... what's their slogan? Fun to play with, not to eat, literally. So, it's, Play-Doh is just like this stretchy sort of... It's almost like slime, but a bit thicker, I think. Like, it'll hold its shape a bit better. But it basically, you just, like, pull it and stretch it and whatnot. And it's a little, like, fidget thing. It's been out for, like, basically ever. But this variant of it, this red one... Yeah, then you do know what silly putty is. It's Play-Doh. Yeah, because it's Play-Doh. But this one, its whole thing is, I don't know what causes it, but inside it's got, like, some sort of stretchy memory-like material where it pulls itself back up so that it has, like, resistance to it. That's why it's called angry putty, because the more you play with it and the more it gets warmed up, the harder it is to mess with. So you can really get some stress out, get some anger out from, you know, this. So that's why I got it. Because, well, I actually, I had it, but that's why I took it out, I mean. because I've been getting so frustrated with this stupid computer so often that I'm just like, you know what? I need a way to get it out of my system. It actually works really well for what it's supposed to do, which is nice. But it also works for times like now when I'm just bored because this stupid thing is compiling from zero again when I literally just built it. It's not supposed to do that. Yeah, we've been over this. There's like a 6-hour difference. Oh, I didn't even notice. You were two different people asked two different. I thought you were. Yes, it does smell like silly putty a little bit. It's not too bad. It's a little more rubbery than silly putty's like, I don't know, clay-y smell. But yeah, it smells synthetic because it is. But from that same company, I also have a clear silly putty, which is very cool. It is not as stretchy, but it's still very cool. Nice. Go for it. You're in luck. Writing is one of the things with the smallest barrier. Well, professional writing has a pretty big barrier, but writing in general, no barrier to entry whatsoever. Can you write words? If so, you have all the requisite skills. You know what? Let's fix that actually. Wait. The that does help. That does help. I will tell you, that does help. Oh, that's so... Wait. Oh, I see what it's saying. Wait. There's literally no reason for that. It literally doesn't do anything. Okay. But it wasn't using anything? Or hold... Wait. But it isn't used anywhere. I can just get rid of this. This is literally wasted code. Like, what the fuck? Ooh, little meta writing. That's fun. Okay. Ooh. Oh, wow. Okay. That's pretty good. Okay. Main. 427. Do it again. Give you the code. It's open source. You can get it. Oh, didn't mean to pause that. Scene tree. 1840. Ah, interesting. Um, nice. Hiding Easter eggs is always one of my favorite parts of making stuff. um, I think it depends on the references too. Because, like, if you reference the same thing, or like from the same source too many times, like that also, so like you gotta like vary up where it's coming from too, you know? Oh, okay. Interesting. So, hmm. Brawl Stars? Is that, what is that? Brawl Stars. I'm trying to think if I, naturally, as one does on bad games. Well, yeah, gee, thanks. I figured that much out. But is it a newer game, an older game? My head immediately went to Smash Bros. Brawl. That's why I'm asking. Oh, oh, okay, yeah, so newer. Yeah, that's what I. I should have just tried it. I don't know why I'm Not even why I bother asking. Should have just tried it. Okay. Oh, okay. So yeah, it's still newer. I mean, Smash Brawl came out when I was a kid, so okay. Oh, well, that kind of stuff it can be pretty tough, but I guess if it's an experienced studio that made it, maybe not so much, but like I don't know. That's probably something I would do in all honesty. My first attempt at making a multiplayer thing. That's why I'm focusing on single player so much because I don't want to deal with networking yet because that's pretty tough to get right. But yeah, that can be frustrating for sure. Um Supercell. Oh, okay. So then yeah, that's a bummer. Yeah, that's see this is what I mean. Oh my god. Oh, okay. I guess that's fair. It's not really crashing right now, so that was a bad example. Oh, that kind of happens with every like fighting style game though, or even just like multiplayer game where you like compete, I guess, which is basically all of them. um it's just really annoying because there's a finite number of like combos and mechanics and whatnot. So once people figure out like what the best versions of each like character or class or combo or whatever is, like they're only going to use that, right? So it's just kind of the nature of how games work. It's like there's only so many mechanics there can be, and once people figure out what the best ones are, it's just you're never going to stop using those. So it's a bit annoying, I know, but okay. Wait. I'm confused now. Hold on. Wait. Yeah. I mean, that's the way to do it. Yeah, no, I got that. Right, but where is it being called? Oops. Oh, well, I'm sorry to hear that. You can pass that on to your friend if you'd like, I suppose. Ah. So, oh. Okay. Now we're getting into the now we're getting into the deeper stuff. Oh boy. Okay. I guess I can just today until 4 my time, maybe a little bit longer. So that would be 10 your time? Maybe a bit longer. And then same thing tomorrow. So today and tomorrow are the half days right here. And then I know this is kind of a funny shape. It's because the schedule like order changed and after this week, so starting on this row right here, it'll be consistent again. Yeah, no, I got that. I Oh, interesting. Where does this get? Okay. It's never calling set default. Scene multiplayer. No? Is it that? Yeah, hate that. I really want to reference it. Scene. Right? That's what it was? That's not what I want to do. Let me just one more time. I just want to make sure I No, not this one. Um Nope. No. Stop. 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 Scene multiplayer. Okay. How do I Does this have a constructor? Oh, okay. I think. Uh Seems to be okay. This time it doesn't start from 0. This time it doesn't start from 0. This time that I actually changed stuff, it doesn't start from 0. Okay. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm happy about that, but like... Alright. No worries. You can... You can focus on them if they need it. It's alright. I won't be offended. It's fine. It's okay. I think of it this way. Like I'm streaming not to be a streamer, but just like to have my workday out in public, more or less. So like I'm not offended if I'm streaming to an audience of 0. That's totally fine by me. It's literally just a way for me to archive my work in public. So like if you gotta go, it's fine, go. Like it's all right, I get it. You don't have to multitask. They need you more than I do right now, I'd say. Well, okay, that's fair. That's fair. Alrighty. Whichever you prefer. Just if they're having that bad a time and it sounds like they might need it, you know, priorities, right? But, I mean, you're obviously welcome to stay, of course. Why? That's interesting. Oof. Yeah, that's a lot to get through, I'd say. Okay. Think of it, um, is this is something I noticed as a musician as well, is a lot of musicians have mental health issues. It's less so that the domain itself is like the cause, but more so people who have those issues tend to gravitate towards the same domains, if that makes any sense. So it's the other way around. most often. But I even changed that. Right. But if it's null pointer, oh, weird. That is fascinating. Let me. What? That might just be my face. I don't know how to tell you this. But I will do my best not to. Why? It's never being called. Oh, that might be part of it. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh, you're right. Yeah. Oh, you should have seen how excited I was when the stupid thing finally compiled. Because yesterday, or maybe 2 days ago, I forget. Last time I worked on this was it just was just compiler error after compiler error onto linker errors. Like it would not build. So I'm fine with it crashing right away. That's all good. I was so excited when this stupid thing built for the first time. Boom, no errors. Okay, so let me just see if interesting. Interesting. Okay. So it was definitely being I feel like that should have I don't think that'll do anything. Um okay. Oh, then you would have some strong words about the Godot code base because fixing one error last time like triggered literally like thousands of lines of errors in this code base, which is why I'm so critical of the code base itself. The engine is fine, but like the code base is a disaster. um okay, so I can either um oh wait, there it was. Huh? Oh, interesting. That's fair. It's fair. It's definitely a different level. Much lower level, but that's why I like it. Um wait, it does though. Good. See, this is why. This is why I hate the code base. It's defined properly, but it hasn't been registered yet with the reflection system. Uh, okay. Um Wait. It is. It should be at least. Oh. Whoops, that's not it. Scene tree. Okay. 1840. Right. Uh, Woohoo! Oh, but what? Here. Okay. Here it is. Finally found it. Oh my god. Okay. So this returns this, which attempts to get that. Okay. How do you check? Oh. Okay. Oh, perfect. Uh, these don't take strings, though. Oh, that's why. How do I want to do this? That. Do this, which goes to this, which then goes to this. Which I assume. What's the message say? Can't make that. Yeah, so it's the fail condition. Somewhere inside of here. Yeah, I got that. Nope. I'm not, though. Yeah, I got that. How do you... Oh, I see what it's saying. Or wait, no. Set default inter. Oh, wait, no. Where is the thing? Where's the thing? Where's okay? Where? Where? Where was I just? Right. What am I looking for? Here. Here it is. That's what I had. Is it not? Is that not what I had? Oh well, whatever. I think I'm getting hungry. I go. Bye bye. Sounds like a good plan. Hope you have fun. Thanks. You too. Bye bye. I'm sure I'll see you again soon. I'll probably be making dinner by that point. You'll discover very quickly I'm not much of a people person, but I respond. I almost never initiate conversations. Ever. Will do. Will do. Bye. It sure should be, though. Um, it seems to be registered. Oh, wait. You're right. I need scene multiple. Oh, Scene multiplayer. Oh, it's probably just a missing. No, not that. Scene multiplayer. Scene main. Scene multiplayer. Really? I. Oh, you're right. That didn't. That doesn't work either. I. That's what I have. Ah. Modules multiplayer. Scene multiplayer. Really? Okay. I'll clean it up at some other point. Ooh. Interesting. That's not it. I don't think that's it either. Nope. None of those seem to be true. I don't think any of that's the problem. Yep, there. Uh, they were just higher up. No, linking failed. Oh, not more of this. This is ridiculous. That was close. Um, I that's not gonna work. Literally, it's literally Godot. Oh my god. Not everything. Oh my god. I I I fucking know. You literally have the whole thing. Why is it structured like that? Nothing about the build config should yes. I let me get this straight. It deletes the old one. Are you kidding me? literally already is. How did it work originally? Because clearly it did, so what changed? God. I hate OOP so fucking much. Libscene A. Oh, for fuck's sake. Actually, you know what? Whoops. Because I literally just Neat. Fascinating. Well, I don't feel like looking up how to report that right now, so... Okay, so that doesn't work. Um... Not main, you... Really? Great, thanks. So useful. Oh, you can go by file. Okay. Um... Modules, multiplayer, register types. Oh. Oh, you have to go by... I see. Think maybe it's just register types? No, it can't be. There's no way. Huh? There are so many register types files. There's so many. That's not the right one. Yeah, exactly. I did that one too. What? I literally showed you the build command. Oh my god. I want the whole thing to build. That didn't seem to compile anything different. Now I get linker errors again. Whoa. This is ridiculous. How? Yeah, that's stupid. That's a stupid design is what I'm saying. So what even is the problem? Like You know what? I don't think I'm really doing a whole lot by this point, and I'm supposed to end now anyway. I think I'm just gonna end stream now, because I'm not really doing anything by this point except complaining, and frankly, I don't think I'm gonna do a whole lot more today on it. So, if you're still around, hope you enjoyed. Maybe losing my mind a little bit. Um, and if so, hope to see you again sometime. But that's about all I got for today. So, hope you have a good rest of your day. That's all I got for you.